The Harvard Sailing Team Couch is filmed before a live studio audience.
I know, it's about time, right?
Yeah, get ready for a lot of parties coming your way. Just make yourself at home.
Thank you, I will.
Have some coconut shrimp here.
Okay.
Let me take your coat.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I'll be right back.
Oh, okay.
Can you get that, Sara?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Hi.
Hey, guys.
Hey,
Come
Sara.
on in.
How's it going?
Hey, Rebekka's in the other room. She'll be right out.
Okay.
Have a seat, I guess. So
Cool.
get yourself
This is
some
nice.
shrimp or whatever you guys
Awesome.
want.
Oh, is this shrimp?
And, yeah, Dad is some shrimp.
Yeah. I feel like I have to say it like that. Shrimp.
I know, it's some shrimp. It's delicious, huh?
Hey, Rebekka.
Yes, of course. Have some shrimp.
I love this new place.
Thank you. Here, let me take your coat.
Of course.
Get comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And thanks for the shrimp.
Oh, got it. You know me and my shrimp.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Guess I'll get that again. Okay. Hi, guys.
Hey.
Come in. Rebekka's just, I don't know what she's doing, actually,
okay.
but she'll be back in.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Have
Good
a
job.
seat.
Yeah.
And,
This is fun.
yeah, there's some rice and it's really
Great.
good. Where is she? Yeah, she's just, I don't know what she's doing, but I'm sure she'll be back in a minute.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
She's in like hostess mode, I think.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
We walked her.
Jen, Billy,
Hi.
you made it. Let me take your coats. Gimme. Come on, Billy. Hand it over. Pass it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Give this coat to Rebekka.
Yeah.
Thank you. Shrimp.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Come on in.
You want to sit here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's going on in here?
Where's Rebekka?
Hey, Faryn.
Oh, God. Wow, you
Give me your
really
coat. You. Give me your coat.
Take it.
Eat the shrimp.
Hey guys. Like my new coat? Get out of here. Where's Rebekka?
Give me your coat. Well, having a great old time. Wow! I'll get that.
We're all best friends, right?
Yeah.
We love each other, we trust each other, we support one another through thick and thin. And it really is true love that binds us together as friends. And I don't know how you're feeling, but tonight, I feel ready for more.
Me too.